Good morning from Paris, and that's really early morning. I think it's, well, it's actually 10 a.m. but honestly it feels as if it's just 5 or 6 a.m. and now I decided to go for breakfast, guys. It's just 2 hours, no, it's 1 hour left before my wake-up call, and I woke up quite late, browsing and checking your comments and reading everything and Instagram posts. You know how it goes in the morning. Now I have to have my coffee fix very quickly. Then let's get ready and let's go back to Dubai. I do not have any more flights before my new year starts, and that feels honestly amazing. And tomorrow there is something special gonna happen as well in Dubai, so I'm excited to land. I'm excited to drive home, hopefully not be sleepy very much. Let's go together and have coffee. Let's do that. I was just asking, now confused, where is le petit déjeuner? Trying to learn my French. I learned it for, oh my gosh, so many years and still Breakfast time now, guys. The beautiful muesli I have, and the beetroot and carrot juice, I think so. So Irina just went to grab something for herself, and after we're going for the wake-up call. This maracuya or passion fruit? I think it's passion fruit. Actually in Russia we say maracuya. I don't know, I think it's nowhere else is used, to be honest. And you can make your fresh juice over here, just carrots and cucumber if you would like. And I want to show you what I really love so much. This cookie I love so much, and that's my cereal that I was having. Breakfast was awesome, like awesome, I mean it, because I have to compare from different hotels, so I had to take half of my cookie that I didn't finish. I'm done now and ready for my flight. My favorite red lipstick from Revlon with Kate Moss. And if you would like to ask me, guys, about my makeup, please ask me questions so that I can do maybe another vlog about my makeup routine. Hair is a bun, as I usually do. Sometimes I do a different way, but this is my favorite hair routine that I do before the flight. Okay, so bags are ready, I just need to close them. So let's see, now in Dubai it's 3 p.m. and I'm gonna land at midnight. By the time I'll get to my car will be around 1 a.m. So I'll talk to you in 11 hours, right? So I'll talk to you in 11 hours. Voila, 11 hours after, and the night after as well, here I am, guys, landed to Dubai. Those who commented on the Instagram stories that my eyes are real or lenses, very happy to tell you that they are real, nothing is artificial there. So I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing right now. That's the dress that I love so much. Tomorrow is the 31st of December. It's feeling a bit nervous, honestly. My heart starts pumping because I know that tomorrow gonna be a big day, and then the 1st of January gonna start, and the new year and new resolutions and new plans, guys. I hope you already planned it for yourself and you made priorities. I'm gonna visit Dubai Opera, and right now I'm going to do my hair in the salon, so let's see how it's gonna turn out. My hair is dry, so I just washed it and basically didn't do anything else. I didn't comb it, didn't do anything, so that's how it is. Well, I'm so excited. Let's go. Guys, I just made it now to the nail spa and doing my nails, so that's the color. You can see it's like beige, beautiful color, and this one is called Bare Fit by Essie. So now next one gonna be hair. I'm gonna do hair, but I'm still thinking how to do it. Either to put it like backwards and to style, or to make waves. So still thinking. And now the best time is massage, and it feels so relaxed and really, really, really nice. So just watch now, so let's see how the result's gonna happen, because I'm really so excited. And as I promised, guys, now I'm at the salon. I just came to the Sisters Beauty Lounge and gonna do my hair, and I have Christina here next to me. So let's see, because I'm very excited about the process, and I really want to show you how it's gonna look like. I just got my hot chocolate, and oh, that's a little chocolate here. It starts to get something, guys. It's not the final result, of course, but it just like starts to, you know, to figure out how it's gonna look like. I love it so much, and let's see. Honestly, I'm so excited. So I've got the volume that I wanted. It actually looks like really big volume, and anytime I wanted to same, I just go my hair down and I just do like this little bit, and it stays same like that. So I'm really excited.
You look like Taylor Swift.
No.
No, really.
Thank you. Guys, I just came here to Dubai Opera, so that's how it looks like. Sorry, you might be very mistaken on this one. So it looks like that. Super beautiful, and it's gonna be full. The balconies, it is amazing, huge stage. and basically 2 rows, just 2 rows from that. Look, stage is just right here. Surprise, surprise! Good morning, guys. So you saw yesterday I visited Dubai Opera. I didn't really get a chance to film a lot for you, but I would say the whole experience of the opera was amazing. I wish I visited the first day when it just opened, and that was Placido Domingo there. Didn't happen, but hopefully gonna visit it more often now. So today is the last day of 2017, and tomorrow gonna be something very magical. I really believe it. You know, they say how you meet the new year, that's how you're gonna spend the whole year. I wish you guys, to everybody, spend it amazingly, be super happy, do something exciting, do something super crazy. I plan to go to the Motion Gate, that's the amusement park here in Dubai. So let's see if it's gonna happen. Time for breakfast now, and see you there. Mwah.